Hello, my name is Mohammad Suzarisha, and today I am going to show you how to bypass Windows 11 installation TPM check. So as you all know, Windows 11 require you to have a specific version, the latest version of Intel chip or AMD chip. Most recent Intel and AMD chips will support Windows 11. This is to enhance the security of your laptop or something like that, right? So of course it will also require TPM 2.0. In order for you to bypass that, you will need to follow a certain procedure in which that I will show you after this. So what is TPM? TPM is, I have also enabled TPM 2.0, but still I can't install Windows 11. But you need to follow certain procedures in order to disable the TPM check. So as you can see here, my laptop doesn't really support Windows 11 since it has a later version of Intel Core i7. You can see all of those supported chips, Intel chips and AMD chips at Microsoft.com at their website to know more about your supported chip. So as you can see here, I've already installed Windows 11 here. Okay, you can see that I've already bypassed the TPM check while having Windows 11 in my PC. I think I already enabled TPM 2.0. Let's see, where is it? Okay, yep. Let's see, 2 years old. Okay, so first off, if you want to bypass the TPM check, first of all, just open your registry editor. Okay, another way of opening the registry editor would be typing the registry editor to your Windows search, right? Okay, so and then you need to go to local machine, HKey local machine, and then go to system, and then go to setup and MoSetup. Okay, and I'm sure that you guys don't have this. Okay, but if you don't have this, you need to create a new DWORD. Okay, and then you need to copy this value and put it right here. Okay, after that, just click on this and select one. Click on one. Input one. Okay, and then click on OK. So this is supposed to bypass the TPM check if you want to install Windows 11. Okay, if you have any other questions, please feel free to ask in the comment section. Like and subscribe. I will provide the link to all of my resources down in the descriptions below. Thank you.